What's up, family? We have some breaking information regarding some new stimulus checks. Now, these particular payments could be worth up to $2,500 for Americans, and I have the details to share with you today. In addition to that, we also have a huge warning message coming directly from the IRS. You definitely need to stick around to hear about this before it's too late. So in the meantime, if you could, subscribe to the channel as well as hit the like button, as it really helps us grow on YouTube. Now let's go ahead and start with the video. Starting off, guys, I do want to go ahead and let you know the summer is here, guys, and as you may already know, it is extremely hot, and I am talking about in majority of the United States. As you can see right here, guys, it talks about summers are always hot, and here's how we know that climate change is making the summer of 2023 even hotter than what we have seen in the past. And yes, guys, this is just pretty much a warning message that I definitely wanted to mention to you to be safe out there, because right now, guys, we are experiencing record-breaking temperatures. Yes, guys, and this is in multiple cities, multiple states across the entire United States. Phoenix, Arizona just recorded an unprecedented 19 consecutive days over 110 degrees. Death Valley ended up reaching 128 degrees on Sunday, and records are falling everywhere, guys. So yes, guys, it is not your imagination. This is not your typical summer. However, it is exactly what we are dealing with right now, and you need to be aware of this. You need to protect yourselves, you or your family, your loved ones, or even your neighbors that you don't really necessarily know, especially if you know someone that does not have working air conditioning or any way to get cool air. You definitely want to be mindful of this, because individuals could end up losing their lives during this entire 6 to 10 day heat wave that we are experiencing here in the United States. And as you can see right here, guys, on this particular chart of the US, you can see that it's pretty much almost all red. Majority of the areas right here, guys, they are experiencing major heat waves, and this is affecting millions of Americans. So you definitely want to be mindful of that, guys, and make sure that you try to stay cool and check on others, guys, that you don't necessarily know, or even your family members. You definitely don't want something to happen to anyone during these particular times. But anyways, guys, moving on, we do have a little bit of good information, and that is because there has been one winning ticket that has been sold for the $1 billion Powerball jackpot. Yes, guys, the jackpot was yesterday on the 19th, in which they rolled those numbers, guys, and apparently there has been one winning ticket number. Now, so far, guys, we don't know if that is just one individual or either multiple individuals, but we do know that it has been recorded as one actual ticket. And yes, guys, if you live in the state of California, that is exactly where that jackpot ticket was actually purchased. It says right here that there was one winning ticket sold on Wednesday night's estimated $1 billion Powerball jackpot, and lottery officials said that it was purchased in California. The winning numbers were 7, 10, 11, 13, and 24, with a Powerball of 24. Now, again, the ticket holder or holders will get to pick either an estimated lump sum payment of $516 million or an annuity. So anyways, guys, if you live in California and you bought a lottery ticket, please check your lottery ticket. And if you win, definitely comment down below, guys, and let me know what you're going to give Budget Bill. But anyways, guys, kudos to that one individual that ended up winning the $1 billion jackpot lottery. So anyways, guys, moving on, we do have a warning message directly coming from the IRS, and this actually came up during a security summit in which individual people from the IRS, as well as this particular summit, are warning taxpayers of this new scam that is going on right now, saying that it is related to unusual delivery service mailing issues, where it tries to trick people into sending them photos as well as their bank account information. Now, the IRS is warning taxpayers today to be on the lookout for a new scam mailing that tries to mislead people into believing that they are owed a tax refund or a refund in general. The new scheme involves a mailing coming in the cardboard envelope from a delivery service. The enclosed letter includes the IRS masthead and wording that the notice is in relation to your unclaimed refund. And like many scams, guys, the letter includes contact information and phone number that do not belong to the IRS, but it also seeks a variety of sensitive personal information from taxpayers, including detailed photos of your driver's license that can be used to identify thieves to try obtaining a tax refund and other sensitive financial information. Now, they're saying that, look, this is just another long string of attempts by identity thieves posing as the IRS in hopes of tricking people into providing valuable personal information to steal identities as well as to steal your money, including tax refunds, according to the IRS commissioner. He said that, look, these particular scams can come in through email, text message, or even special mailings. People should be careful to watch out for red flags that clearly mark these as IRS scams. So anyways, guys, in this particular new scam, there are many warning signs that can be seen in many similar schemes via email or a text message. An unusual feature of this scam is that it tries tricking people to email or phone very detailed personal information in hopes of stealing your valuable information. The letter tells the recipients that they need to provide filing information for their refund. This includes some awkwardly worded requests like a clear phone of your driver's license that clearly displays all four angles taken in a place with good lighting. So anyways, guys, that is just a little bit of information in regards to this latest IRS scam. And I definitely wanted to share that with you guys because I just read another article where one individual ended up getting scammed for around $516,000. Now, of course, she got scammed on one of those particular dating sites. But anyways, guys, it just warned me, and I definitely wanted to share that information with you today. Do not become a victim to any scams, guys. Come on now. If you got any questions, feel free to ask Budget Bill. I will definitely respond and help you out during these particular times. But anyways, guys, let's go ahead and talk about some stimulus checks. We just received information in regards to this particular article on Yahoo Finance, in which it says that this is the latest stimulus update and that thousands of Americans could receive up to $2,500 stimulus checks very, very soon. The question is, will your state actually send you one? That is the question being asked from most Americans in this country, if you will. Would you guys agree? But anyways, guys, it says that the possibility of a fourth federal stimulus check has been on the table since the last three economic impact payments was issued by the IRS to qualified Americans. But in the meantime, many states have stepped up by using surplus budget funds to provide additional relief to their residents that are still struggling amid the persistent high inflation in this country. We even saw in the state of Montana where married couples filing jointly, taxpayers can receive an income tax rebate of up to a maximum of $2,500 if you are eligible. And then also some states have also designated stimulus funds for targeted groups like our teachers and energy savers, while others have provided bonuses to our farm workers, essential workers, and our frontline workers as well. So anyways, guys, we are seeing a growing number of cities offering their own statewide stimulus checks, such as states like Chicago, Los Angeles, Pittsburgh, as well as Seattle. They have also been known for sending out stimulus payments to low-income households this year. And so we will probably continue to see these things going out throughout the remaining of this year, and probably we should see the same thing being offered sometime early next year as well. But anyways, guys, in regards to right now, I do want to let you know about these specific states, such as Alaska. They have what's called the Alaska Permanent Fund Dividend, which pays Alaska residents a portion of the state's mineral revenue in the form of an annual dividend to benefit current and future generations. It is calculated based on the number of eligible Alaskan applicants in a dividend year, and half of the statutory net income average over the 5 most recent fiscal years. So anyways, guys, the deadline was on March the 31st of this year for which you are applying for this minerals dividend, and there are some exceptions to that particular rule, such as applicants who filed an online application on the internet and selected direct deposit and have been determined eligible for a payment by September the 22nd will receive their 2023 dividend through direct deposit on October the 5th. So again, you should be receiving those direct deposits of this mineral well dividend sometime in the month of October. So anyways, that is for the state of Alaska. We also have the state of Massachusetts, in which they began paying state tax refunds on November the 1st of last year to eligible filers who were entitled to a refund of 14% of the 2021 Massachusetts state tax liability. However, if you have not yet filed your 2021 tax return, you can still receive a refund if you file it by September the 15th of this year, according to the website mass.gov. And if you are eligible for a refund, you should receive it about 1 month after you file this tax return. So anyways, guys, there is still an opportunity for you to participate in this what they are calling a refund in the state of Massachusetts. We also have Minnesota, where they are saying that the Minnesota Department of Revenue will send one-time direct tax rebate payments for the tax year of 2021 to eligible Minnesotans after a recent tax law update. Now, this particular piece of legislation was actually signed earlier this year, back in May, which is going to provide $520 payments for married couples who filed jointly with an adjusted gross income of less than $150,000. Exactly $260 is available to all other individuals with an AGI less than $75,000. So anyways, guys, that is another opportunity for those individuals that live in Minnesota. And if you want to get more information, you can always go to the Minnesota Secured Online Portal, in which you can update your address or your bank information, just in case it has changed since 2021. You definitely want to make sure that information is up to date, regardless to whether or not you are actually eligible for this particular tax rebate payment. So, and then in addition to that, we also have the state of Montana, in which Governor Greg Gianforte has signed a state House bill into law to provide some tax rebates for eligible Montana taxpayers. The first bill was called the House Bill 192, which is going to provide a rebate for individual income tax payers who paid in the tax year of 2021. It says that for single filers, you could be receiving up to $1,250, as well as for married couples filing jointly, you could be receiving tax rebates around $2,500. That is for the House Bill 192. But then we also have House Bill 222, and that is what's called a property tax rebate, which is a rebate of up to $675 per year of property taxes paid on a principal residence. There is a rebate available for property taxes paid for the year of 2022. And guys, you definitely want to be mindful of that, because you could be eligible if you own your own home. So anyways, that is for the state of Montana. And then we also have New Mexico, in which they started issuing rebate checks of $1,000 for married couples, and as well as $500 for single filers. And yes, this is all in regards to whether or not you file your 2021 income tax return and you did not declare a dependent on another tax return. So anyways, guys, they are saying that if you haven't filed it yet, you still have time to file it. And they're saying that if you want to receive this particular rebate, you have to file your 2021 state tax return or your income tax return by May 31st of next year. So anyways, guys, last but not least, we also have Washington, where they have what's called Working Families Tax Credit, which will provide payments to state residents worth between $50 and $1,200. These particular payments will go to individuals and families who meet certain eligibility requirements, such as dependent on your income level and how many qualifying children you have in your household. And also, guys, undocumented workers and others who use an individual taxpayer identification number to do their taxes are also eligible for this particular payment. So Anyways, guys, they're saying that you have 3 years to claim this credit before it's too late, up to $1,200. But anyways, guys, that is all we have today in regards to the multiple states that are still sending out stimulus checks this year, guys. And as you see, that those could be worth up to $2,500. But anyways, guys, other than that, that is all we have for you today. And I hope all this information in this video was helpful to you today. Well, anyways, guys, hey, that's all I have for you today, but feel free to check out some of the items down below in the description. There are a few opportunities for you to earn some free money or some free cash. Yes, guys, if you sign up with Webull, they are giving away 12 free stocks, and all you have to do is deposit at least 1 penny. Everybody has 1 penny, right? But anyways, the cool thing about this is that once you sign up and deposit that 1 penny, you will receive 12 free stocks. Now, the good thing is that those 12 free stocks can actually be worth up to $3,000. It is a great way for you to earn some free money to put back into your pocket. So you definitely don't want to sleep on this opportunity. But anyways, if you are interested, check out those links down below. But anyways, if you enjoyed today's content and you want to see more, please go ahead, subscribe to the channel. It's totally free. And if you like today's video, then go ahead and hit the like button for us. It really helps out this channel, as well as it tells YouTube to share this video with others. But anyways, guys, hey, I appreciate you guys stopping by and watching, and I hope to see you on the next video. Peace.